Right there, right there, right there.
Contact! Enemies in the area!
Oh, he's dropping. I'm gonna drop the chopper up here. Okay. Guy right there. No, it was a guy down there with the LMG. Oh. Yeah, that was a bad decision to jump. Dude, I got a drone. Oh, chopper over there.
Over. Now it's a ghost town. Gas is closing.
Oh, I cracked this guy. Oh, he's over there.
Your teammate was sent to the gulag.
What do you need?
To redeploy. Less than 50 remain.
Here.
Plenty of targets.
I only have 90. We should get out of here.
Down. Contact.
Got him. Wanna fly over there and kill him real quick and get out of here?
Open the boiler.
I'll take passenger.
Oh yeah. See if I can. You got sniper ammo, right? Oh, there he goes. I feel like I want to get that loot.
Small caliber here.
Teammate
You get
has
him?
been cleared for redeployment.
I see movement.
Oh. Good right here, actually.
You're losing ground.
Moving up.
I'm gonna get this guy in a quad. Oh, I'm gonna f this guy up. Oh, I cracked his armor. Oh, we'll keep going.
All here. Return to the safe zone.
Oh, I can come get you. Chill right here for a little bit.
Moving up.
Where?
Moving up. Target spotted.
Cracked his armor? Nice. Nice. I got a drone if anybody wants to put a C4 on it. Here, I'll throw a C4 on yours. Drop it. There's gotta be guys down there. Yeah. Drop it.
Setting charge.
Oh, let's go. We'll go. Somebody's dropping. Somebody just called in their boy. That right below us. I'm gonna keep lookout. Tell me when to do it.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Watch this chopper with me, Sergeant, watch this chopper with me. Oh, I cracked his armor. Here. Here's another drone.
Marking
Here's
new
my
safe
drone.
zone.
We got 57 seconds. I'll tell you when to do it. Go.
Setting charge.
Go. What? How? Dude, I was right in the middle of them. They're right below us.
Contact.
Let's get out of here.
Open the boiler. I'll go.
All
This
right,
is gonna be
Joshua.
tough. Look at the circle. Holy shit. Guys right there.
Enemies in the area.
Maybe stay in the chopper till we hit. As long as we can, and then we'll dive. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to go. Maybe right there. Yeah, I'm diving right there.
There. I'm going. If you're not in the safe zone. Going this way.
Target clear. Only 10 are left.
Move it up to the circle. They hear that. You gotta move. Might be guys coming in from 6 players. Dude, 3 other players. 3 other players. It's a big circle. Where are they? Over there, over there?
Cancel that.
Oh? I hear them over there somewhere. Oh yeah, right there.
Enemies in the area! Enemies in the area!
By the rock.
Enemies in the area!
He's right there, right there.
Contact!
Moving up, moving up. Truck coming up, truck coming up. The truck pulling up, truck pulling up.
5 remain.
Hey there.
Stay alert. Gas is moving in.
Where's this guy?
New safe zone located.
Uh-oh. Where?
Right there.
Got his ass. More. One guy left. Let's stay close. Let's but not too far. Coming up.
I found the vehicle. Cancel that.
Yeah, get the truck.
Gas is moving.
He's got to be to our left because there's nobody to the right. But let's keep an eye on the right side.
No there. You made it through and took some
Nice. Hell yeah.